Thinly sliced beef is marinated in a special spice blend and kept aside. Marinated beef is cooked in batches. It's returned to the pan with more spice paste. Sauteed onion, green chili, and green peppers are added together with cooked potatoes. Let's start with the spice blend. I'm going to add 8 Kashmiri chilies to a hot pan. I will just remove the stems and I will tear them into smaller pieces. Add a 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Allow this to toast. Remove it and add it to a blender jar and allow it to cool. Once it's cool, process this to a rough powder. Next, I'm going to add in 6 cloves of garlic, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a little bit of water if needed and process it to a paste. I have 1 kilo of thinly sliced beef. This is beef blade, but you can use any cut of beef. And to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the prepared spice blend. Rub this into the meat and leave it for 30 minutes to overnight. To make the chili fry, add a 1/4 cup of oil in a pan and allow it to heat. I'm going to start with the potatoes. I'm going to add 2 medium potatoes of 400 grams. I've cubed this and I'm going to allow this to cook. Once it's done, I'm going to remove it and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of finely diced onion together with 2 tablespoons of minced green chili. Saute this well. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of green pepper. I just cut this into thin strips. Remove this and keep it aside. Add some more oil to the pan and add the marinated beef in batches. Once this is cooked, just keep it aside. Add oil in between as needed. Once all of the beef is cooked, just return everything to the pan and add 2 more tablespoons of the spice paste. Add the sauteed onion, chili and green pepper and also the cooked potatoes. Mix this and cook this for another few minutes. Add salt to taste, crushed black pepper and finish off with a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander. Enjoy.